So in this video, I'm going to be telling you why I quit the keto diet, some of the health complications it was posing, and what I plan to do moving forward. Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Damie Alabi. I am a Nigerian based lifestyle content creator, and I've been doing this for quite a while. Anyway, as the title says, I'm here to talk about my keto journey. You know, I did a video during lockdown saying, oh, I was going to start. I didn't say I was going to start. I already told you that I started the keto diet. I did the haul. I showed you some of the foods I was going to be eating. I did cook with me videos. I showed you some recipes that I was eating and all of that. However, I didn't come back after that to do like an update to tell you if I had lost weight, or you know what my weight goal was, or you know how much weight I'd lost and everything. And the major reason why I didn't go through with that is because keto was beginning to like pose some health complications, which I will discuss in a bit. If you don't know what the ketogenic diet is, or if you're just falling into the keto world for the first time, so the ketogenic diet is a diet where you don't eat as much carbs. Is actually a zero carb diet, but there's nothing like zero carb diet. It's a low carb diet, so you don't eat carbs. Instead, you eat high fat, high protein, and your body needs carbs to run. However, your body can run on ketones, so this is just you changing how your body is used to working. So you tell your body you're not going to be getting any more carbs, you have to use what you have. And when you tell your body that, your body begins to use ketones. And I'm not a stranger to the keto diet. I've done this in the past. I did this in 2017 and I lost a lot of weight. I mean, I was looking like a baby girl. I was like a size 10, which hands down is the slimmest I've looked in a very long time. But also in 2017, I stopped the diet, not because I had reached my goal or anything. I stopped the diet because I did a vlog. Funny enough, I did a vlog where we went for medical checkup. I'll try and put it on the screen. We went for medical checkup, and the results from the medical checkup is actually what made me stop doing keto diet at the time. And in 2019 as well, I wasn't feeling well. My partner is a medical doctor, and he told me to go and run a few tests, which I did. And then I was actually, then I was on the keto diet as well, and I did the test, and he was like, what are you doing? And you know, 2020 again, I did it again. I did the ketogenic diet. I was like, we're going to lose this weight, we're going to get it. So the question now is, what is this health complication? What is this thing that I'm talking about? I'm coming to it in a bit, just wait for me. So usually, you know, when people have diabetes, they usually tell them to not eat carbs to bring down their blood sugar. So if anybody that has diabetes, they don't eat carbs. They try to eat like low carb diet. They may not go completely keto, but they cut out carbs from their food. And one of the major reasons is because when you don't eat carbs, your body begins to burn the ketones, which then helps in reducing your blood sugar drastically. However, for somebody like me, you would think that because I'm big and everything, keto will help me, but no, keto wasn't helping me. So some of the questions people ask me after I've posted my keto food and everything, people ask, oh, did you lose weight? Do you lose weight? Yes. Whenever I've done the keto diet, I have lost weight. Like, I have lost weight. It starts with my stomach. My stomach goes down. Like, I start feeling hello. And after a while, my arm does not used to go down, but like my general face begins to go down. And I usually see results with the keto diet, which is why I actually really like and enjoy doing the keto diet, because I see results. However, this last time, let me just do a backstory as to why I actually stopped the diet. Like, kilo Fatima, stopped. What was the main reason why I stopped? So during lockdown, I don't know why, my parents decided to buy the tester for blood sugar levels. And for some reason, my dad was very, I felt like he thought that my blood sugar level was going to be high because I'm big. So it was, you know, he kept telling my siblings to come and call me to do blood sugar tests. Call them, let her come and do blood sugar tests. Let her come and do blood sugar tests. Let her come and do blood sugar tests. And I was like, I really am not cut off for all these things. You know, they say what you don't know will not kill you. Right? Can I get an amen to that? However, what you know can help you be better. So that morning, I went out. I went to the living room and we did the blood sugar test, and My blood sugar was like 30 or so. It was ridiculously low. And then, they were like, your blood sugar is low, it's clinical. And then we did another one and it was low as well. However, I already knew that my blood sugar was not like high in any way, because like I said, in 2017, when we went for like a family medical checkup, then I was on the keto diet, and the person that did my blood sugar was like, your blood sugar is really, really low. Like, what's up with you? And I was like, I don't know. But then I knew that because I was on the ketogenic diet. That's why my blood sugar was so low. Like I said, you don't eat carbs, so there's no, you understand, there's no carb in your body, so your body did not have sugar, and it's actually very, very risky. In fact, let me just Google. When I went for the medical checkup, then I remember when I went for the medical checkup, the specialist or the doctor that checked me was like, what is up with you? Like, what are you eating? Like, why is your blood sugar so low? And then he was like, you should eat more fruits, you should eat more vegetables. And we all know that on the keto diet, you can't eat so much fruits. So there's that. So let's go to, I've googled the risk of low blood sugar. Okay, so let me read what it says. It says normal range of blood sugar is from 70 to 100. Most people feel the effects and symptoms of low blood sugar when their glucose levels are lower than 50. Mine was 35 during lockdown, and normal blood sugar is 70. Mine was 35 because I was on keto diet. And so they said these are some of the side effects of low blood sugar according to this website, medicinenet.com. It says nervousness, dizziness, trembling, hunger, weakness, palpitations. Severe cases may lead to seizure and loss of consciousness. Now, imagine you're trying to lose weight and next thing you're having seizure because you're on a keto diet, or you're just being unconscious because of keto diet. So they usually say that you should go to your doctor or check in with your doctor before you start any health or lifestyle change. But we don't used to hear what. If a normal blood sugar is supposed to be 70 and mine was 35 during lockdown, that would have been crazy. Imagine if I was going to work with a 35 blood sugar level. That is ridiculous. So that is one of the major reasons why I stopped the keto diet. So in my house, we usually eat fruits every single day. It's like a standard. My dad eats fruits before his meals, maybe like 30 minutes before his meals, he'll have fruits. And it's something that, everybody has grown up to do, not eat fruits before your meals. It's just something we do. It's like a snack in my house. Fruit is snacks in my house. Especially with the fact that we have like farms. So we usually have fruits, or whenever somebody goes out, there's fruit at home. So on the ketogenic diet, you can't eat as much fruits as you would want to eat. Like, you can't have H factor. You can't have oranges, you can't have pawpaw, you can't have bananas are high in calorie. I think there are a lot of fruits you can eat, and then the fruits you can eat, they are like avocado. Like, why would you want to do that? I know people like avocado. I just don't like avocado. What's wrong with me? I just don't like avocado. People, you can eat mango, those kind of things. As much as I like the ketogenic diet because you can eat like chicken. If I couldn't eat chicken or meat or pepper soup or anything like that, I'll probably run. Also, another reason why I stopped the keto diet is because it is expensive. Yeah, it is expensive. As much as I'm showing you like affordable options of the keto diet, it is expensive because you're going out of your normal norm. Like, you're going out of the things you normally eat. You have to make extra efforts. You want to make swallow, for instance. You have to grind, you have to drain, you have to dry. All those things, it's a lot of work. It's good, but then it's just a lot of work. Then when you now want to make the meals to now taste delicious, because if it's just a lot of work. Of course, the foods I showed you guys, they are delicious. The cabbage swallow, I would eat it any day, anytime, with or without ketogenic diet. Pepper soup, okra pepper soup, all those things, I'll eat them. However, going like completely low on carbs, I've seen what it can do to me and what it can do to my body. So I've done the blood sugar test 3 times when I was on the keto diet, and I've come to realize that it's actually really bad for my health. it's not good for me. It's good for you if you have like high blood sugar and you're trying to drop your sugar levels, but like if on a normal day your blood sugar is not even at a normal at the normal place it should be, you should not be going fully on keto diet. Check in with your doctor, check that you are completely healthy and you can do the keto diet. Like, I thought I was healthy enough to do the keto diet because I'm fat, so I just assumed that, you know, because I'm fat, I just assumed that my blood sugar should be high or something, but it turns out that my blood sugar is not actually high on a normal day. It's just normal-ish, almost normal. Yeah, so I remember when we did the blood sugar test at when that's at home, when it was 35, everybody went in panic mode. How is your blood sugar low? How is it low? And then they called the family nurse, and she was like, give her Coke. I'm like, I am on a keto diet, I cannot drink Coke. You want to kill me? I can't drink Coke. I can't drink Coke for the life of me. At first I didn't even like Coke, but I had to drink it. Then we did the test again and it was okay, but it wasn't the best. However, you know, it was okay, but it wasn't the best. Now imagine if I had gone the whole day again without carbs, the next day without carbs, the next week without carbs. Koloma de carry kushidada. Get what I mean? So what am I doing henceforth? Like, I've not even been doing any weight loss anything, I should not lie, but recently I've gotten back on the train, and what I'm doing now is the 75 hard challenge because I really want to lose weight, and that is me being completely honest. I want to be fit. I want to be fit. I don't want to be slim. I want to be slim thick. I want to be fit. So what am I doing now? I'm doing the 75 hard challenge. I'll probably do a video maybe after this one discussing what the 75 hard challenge is and what my progress has been with that one. If you follow me on Instagram, you see that I've been working out every single day, and I mean, I've been enjoying it so far. I've not had to cut anything drastic. The only thing is I'm not taking soft drinks at the moment because I want to be healthy. So yeah, and that's about it. So my final takeaway at the end of everything is, before you start a new journey, especially with your health, check in with your doctor. If you cannot afford to do like a proper checkup or something, people do free medical checkups. You can go there and check, because even the first one we did in 2017 was a free medical checkup. That was where I first found out that my blood sugar level was funny. And the second one I did, I actually paid for. It was so annoying because it was expensive. I did a couple of, funny enough, speaking of healthy, why you should check yourself. Like, you think you are healthy but you're actually not. Like, when I did the second test, like I said, my partner is a medical doctor, and he just typed out a lot of tests that I should go and do because I was falling sick like constantly. And he just typed out a lot of tests, and one of them included my blood count. I think it's blood count. And from the test, we also found out with low blood sugar that my white blood cells were not high enough. Who would have thought? Because I used to think that as a fat person you have everything in excess, but like my white blood cells were not like high enough, and I had to eat fruit. I need to even go and do an updated test. I need to eat fruits and more vegetables, and on the keto diet you can't do that. I won't say the ketogenic diet is bad, it's just that it's not working for me. Probably won't work for me. So yeah, what am I doing now? I'm trying to find a good balance on how to lose weight, still eat the things I love, and not break the bank. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any questions, I don't mind answering them in the comment section. Yeah, so I'm doing the 75 hard challenge now. I have a is it personal? It's personal because I'm not doing any form of content creating extra. This is the handle here. So if you want to follow my new journey, that's the 75 hard challenge, you can check it out here. I think it's a private page, I'm not too sure, because I have many pages that I handle for myself and for businesses. So you want to check that out. Each factor is disturbing me. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.